Hi, we're going to sing Dark Horse by Katy Perry. I'm Mark.
I'm Anna. Sorry, baby. Yeah.
And we're going to start now. I knew you were gonna come to me, and here you are. But you better choose carefully, 'cause I'm capable of anything, and everything.
Make me your Aphrodite. Make me your one and only. But don't make me your enemy. Your enemy. Your enemy. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for.
Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse.
Are you ready for
A perfect storm.
Just want your mind,
Who's not going there?
Mark my words, this dog will make you levitate like a bird without a cage.
Down to earth. If you choose to walk away, it's in the palm of your hand now, baby. It's a yes or a no, maybe. So just be sure before you give it up to me, give it up to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for.
Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse.
Are you ready for
A perfect storm.
Just what's your mind,
Who's not going there?
She's a beast, I call her Karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shut his heart, but burns her eyes, 'cause the love was so strong. Make her on loving her. If you get the chance to let get her, she breaks her body, she break her heart. She turns cold as ice, a freezer. Fairy tale and dream, with a knight in shining armor. She can be my sleeping beauty. I'm drunk with her. In the camera, woo, damn I love her. Shawty's so bad, it's wrong, I swear. Got me like a roller coaster to the bedroom, it's a fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it, but her mama's so young. I'm a drowning, gotta be scared.
Do you wanna play with magic? 'Cause you should know what you're fighting for.
Baby, do you dare to do this?
'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse.
Are you ready for
A perfect storm.
Just what's your mind,
Who's not going there?
Bye, epic.